Welcome, Doronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make these grilled in foil chicken fajitas. And the great part about it is you don't need to put it on your grill. You can also bake it in your oven. A fantastic meal plan for dinner or weekend get-togethers or whatever else you can think of. The ingredients you're going to need for the chicken fajita part is going to be 1 large onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. Make sure you use fresh squeeze. It'll make all the difference in flavor. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and you're going to need 2 to 3 teaspoons of adobo sauce. I found this little can of Chipotle chilies and it is in the adobo sauce, so that's what I'm going to use. 1.5 pounds of chicken breast or chicken thighs. I'm using the thinly sliced chicken breast. I'm going to cut these down in strips and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. You're going to need a 1.4 ounce envelope of your fajita seasoning mix. Any kind will do. You're going to need 4 flour tortillas, or you can use less or more depending on how big you want to make your fajitas. For my toppings, I'm going to use shredded Monterey Jack cheese, slices of avocado, fresh cilantro, fresh diced tomatoes, and fresh squeezed lime juice. If you want to add a different cheese or jalapenos or whatever else you want to put on your chicken fajitas, you be my guest. Let me show you how we're going to make the fajita part. I'm getting my foil ready. You're going to need 4 12 by 18 pieces of foil. You can kind of eyeball it because it's 12 inches going this way. And just sit these off to the side. In a large bowl, we're adding the olive oil. Ooh, that lime juice, it smells so yummy. The cumin for that adobo sauce. If you want to add these Chipotle chilies to your fajitas, you may. Does this have fantastic flavor? And we've got 3 teaspoons. See, right here's that pepper. It's gonna have a lot of heat in it. Here's our fajita seasoning pack. You can go ahead and add the whole entire envelope. With the whisk, we're going to incorporate these ingredients until they're well blended. Smells fantastic. Sit this off to the side while we prepare our peppers and onions. For the onion, I just go ahead and remove the top. Just peel the outside layer of your onion off. Cut that onion in half. Lay it on its flat side down, and you're just gonna start cutting 1/4 inches slices of onion. It will just absolutely come apart in these perfectly little size onions we're going to add into our fajitas. Do the same with our red bell pepper. Disregard that. Start cutting your pepper pieces down into 1/4 inch strips, and look how beautiful that is. Do the same thing with your green bell pepper, and again just cut down in 1/4 inch strips. If you want them larger, you can make them larger. If you want them smaller, you can make them smaller. Careful when working with the knife. I've got all my peppers cut. Now I'm coming back with those chicken slices. You see how lovely and thin they are? You want to make sure you have the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I cut them down into bite-sized strips. You want to cut against the grain of your chicken there. Remember, you can use chicken thighs, boneless and skinless chicken thighs. You can buy the whole chicken breast and just cut them down into your slices. You want them thin like this because you want them to cook in that foil on the grill or in the oven. Now that you got your chicken cut down into these strips, you can add it right back here into our fajita seasoning mix with that adobo sauce, and oh my gosh, this is gonna be fantastic. Give our chicken strips a little tossing here in our fajita mix. Woo, that smells so delicious. And remember to keep your hands very clean when handling with chicken because you don't want to cross-contaminate. Add our onions, our green bell peppers, and our red bell peppers, and we're going to give this a lovely little tossing until all those peppers and onions and chicken are well coated with our fajita mixture. Aren't those colors just beautiful? The green, the red, the chicken. Oh, and it smells yummy. Here comes the fun part. And by the way, I cleaned my board with nice hot soap suddy water because you don't want to cross-contaminate chicken, and you want to make sure you keep your hands nice and clean as well. Back with the chicken and the peppers and the onions. We're going to divide it in quarters. Add it right here into the center of your foil. Oh my yums. The ends of your foil here, and we're going to seal it tightly. So we're going to fold it over again, Go to the ends, bring them up towards you, roll them up, fold them, because as these grill or bake, they're going to steam those vegetables. Grilled in foil chicken fajitas. You're not going to go wrong with these. And you can put them in your cooler, you can put them in the refrigerator, and you can let them chill until you're ready to use. You could even chill them overnight. I would think all those flavors would penetrate right into the chicken and give it an amazing flavor the next day. You can travel with them in your cooler, and when you're ready to put them on the grill, then they're ready to go. I'm on my last one, and I'm gonna add a sprig of cilantro. I know some of you may not like cilantro, and you can leave it out altogether, but I am a huge cilantro fan, and I'll show you how to fold that over again. See, you're gonna fold it, seal it, fold it again. Make sure you give it a double seal because you don't want the steam escaping, and you don't want all your fabulous juices leaking out, getting into the bottom of your grill or into the bottom of your oven. I add them here on a cookie tray. These can go in the refrigerator till you're ready to use them, or you can take them directly to the grill, or you can put them directly in the oven. So off to the grill they go. You want your grill heated to medium heat. That is between 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Add our foil packets right here on the grill. Okay, let's scoot this over. Put them right next to each other in the center of the grill so they'll all cook evenly. We're going to give this 10 minutes and I'll be back to turn them. So keep your grill lid closed. All right, after 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and use your heavy duty grill tongs, and we're going to turn them upside down, because you want to make sure if you have your plastic tongs, you want to make sure they're silicone and they can handle this high heat. We're going to grill for another 10 minutes. Use your timer. We've got one last minute of grilling. You see how those foil packets just popped up? That's steaming there on the inside, and we're losing a little bit of our juice. I'm going to grill them on this side for the next 1 minute. Keep your lid closed. 1 minute's up. It's time to take these grilled packets off the grill, and I put them over here on a cookie tray. These are going to continue cooking as they sit here in their foil, and they'll stay warm for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna just, ooh, spread apart. Looky there what we've got, and the steam's coming up out of it. But look at those fantastic fajitas. And they're so lovely and steamy. I can't wait to try it. Wow. Woo, it's hot. Perfectly tender. The flavor, fantastic. Tastes just like chicken fajitas. I'm going to show you how we're going to put this chicken and these green and red bell peppers and this onion on these flour tortillas. We're not finished with the grill yet. I'm going to add my flour tortilla right here on the grill, and I'm going to give it about 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, we're going to give it a little flip, and look at those lovely little grill marks. And look how it's going to be puffing up, so it's going to be nice and warm. But if you don't want to do this, you can skip it too. That's about 15 seconds, and we'll remove it off the grill, and look at those charred marks. We're going to build our fajita here. Oh my yums, those green bell peppers and the chicken and those onions is going to be fabulous. Look how juicy it is in there. And you know what, I just thought of something. Why not serve it with these little baby tongs? That would be so cute. But, you know, just a thought. Add a little cheese, some diced tomatoes. You can make this however you wish. Gotta have a slice of avocado and some cilantro. If you want to add sour cream or salsas or whatever, you be my guest. But here we go. I had to add that lime juice. Wow. Look at that chicken. Woo, and those peppers. You're absolutely gonna love these grilled in foil chicken fajitas, or bake them if you wish. By the way, you would bake your foil packets in a 400-degree preheated oven, Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. Gonna be amazed how fantastic those are. And looky there at that chicken. So nice, moist, and full of flavor. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to add this delicious juice on your fajitas here in the bottom of your fajita packet. It's got a ton of flavor. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.